Have you ever tried Efo Riro before? Guys, this soup is 10 over 10. Yeah, Efo Riro is common among the Yoruba people, yeah. But then I think it's still the same thing with our usual vegetable, just that the process is kind of different from the one we call vegetable soup. Yeah, even though they are all vegetable, but Yorubas call theirs Efo Riro. So guys, let's get started. In my pot I have I'm using goat's meat. I added seasoning salt and then frozen onions, and then here I have my habanero pepper and some red bell peppers. So here I blended the pepper. You have to do a lot of blending, guys. Yeah, blend it roughly, and then I check back on my meat. Then I scoop them out because I don't want them to be too soft. Yeah. So pour out the meat stock as well, and I also use the same pot, but before then I make sure I washed it, and then I added my palm oil. Now I'm going in with the locust beans, which we call it Iru. Yeah. So then I went in with my frozen onions. Guys, you can use you don't have to use frozen onions. I'm always using frozen onions because where I am I buy in large quantity and then blend and then preserve it that way. So after adding my frozen onions, I went in with my peppers that I blended earlier on. Then now once it's done, you add your seasoning, add your salt, and then now I'm going in with my stockfish. Yeah, stockfish and then catfish. Yeah, so stir very well. In fact, as it is now, you can even use it to eat your rice. It's so delicious when I tasted it. So guys, once that is done, I went in with my pre-cooked meat with the stock. Yeah, now I'm adding crayfish, blended crayfish. So I stirred again. Guys, yeah, if you have not started following me, please don't forget to click the follow button, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, guys. Thank you. I just tested to be sure everything is fine. If there's need to add anything at this point, you can add it, but mine was fine. And then I stirred again. Now I'm going in with my vegetable. Here I'm using spinach. This is frozen spinach. Yeah, it's actually a blanched one but frozen. So after I added the first one, that was frozen one, this is fresh spinach, also blanched. So now I added all, and then I stirred again, covered, and allow it to cook for like 2 minutes again. And guys, this soup is everything, guys. I had mine with oat swallow. If you want to know how I made my oat swallow, I have a video on how I made my oat swallow. You can check it out, and you can have this with any swallow of your choice. Pounded yam, fufu, semolina, guys, even rice, yam, name them. This soup is so delicious, guys. Let me know your thoughts about this soup in the comment section. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, guys. Thank you all for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.